Welcome to our exploration of artificial intelligence, a force that's both empowering and challenging our way of life. Today, we look at how AI, like the technology behind Pavleur, is revolutionizing learning and reshaping job landscapes. AI enhancing education. Let's start with education. Pavleur is a groundbreaking platform using AI to teach English as a native speaker would, but without the need for a human tutor. It personalizes learning, adapts to your progress, and provides feedback, all in real time. AI assistance in daily life. Beyond education, AI simplifies daily activities. It manages our smart homes, optimizes our routes, and tailors entertainment to our preferences, acting as a personal assistant that anticipates our needs. The impact on jobs. While AI enhances our capabilities, it also brings challenges, particularly in employment. As AI assumes tasks traditionally performed by humans, from driving trucks to customer service, we face potential job displacement. Preparing for an AI future. Facing these changes, we must prioritize education and skills training, particularly in STEM fields. Initiatives like learning platforms such as Pavleur not only prepare us for fluency in new languages, but also ensure we're equipped to work alongside AI. Conclusion. In wrapping up, AI like that behind Pavleur presents a future rich with opportunities, but also with significant challenges. It's up to us to harness this technology wisely, balancing innovation with thoughtful preparation for its impacts. Share your views below. How do you see AI shaping your future? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights.